Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. So I've had issues with my microphone with Windows 11 for the longest time, and I've never been able to figure out why my headset mic was never being picked up. And today I finally figured out how to fix it, and it's not when you plug it in and it shows up in this corner here. Oh, what did you just plug in? I tried re-rolling the driver back to what it was before. I updated it again. I reset my computer. I deleted all the drivers, reinstalled them, but nothing worked. So the way I figured out how to do it, and this is on Windows 11, just to reiterate. Here it shows my headphones, which I'm using a HyperX Cloud Alpha. And here it was really confusing because it says microphone array. You can see here it's showing up. And I would always go to this troubleshooting thing, and it said, oh, no, everything's fine, everything's working, which obviously isn't true. Um, I'd come in here, I'd allow everything to use it, I'd test it, it would say like 1% of my things being used. Um, this didn't really make much of a difference whether I had it on or not, so that's up to what you guys want to do. But yeah, in the end, nothing on here would make a difference. And you can see if we go back here, there is nothing about the control panel, which is really annoying because that's where you really go to fix it. Hardware device manager, I tried that too, but it really didn't make much of a difference. So you go to the search thing, or also you can go here and you type control panel. We open that up, and then you're going to see everything in here. I did try uninstalling a bunch of stuff, seeing if that was the issue. It wasn't. And then, so I came over to here, hardware and sound, which a lot of people had mentioned to do, but it really didn't make much of a difference until, obviously, you go to manage audio devices. And here's what everyone talks about. You go to recording, and it says, oh, you have to select your microphone, which you can see here, it's barely picking it up. But if I go to OBS, we've got the boost here, which helps a lot. But going back to the original thing we were talking about here, I went here and it says microphone array. Now, the icon for it isn't this one. This is a standard icon. You'll see it like this on your screen, but I changed it because it was irritating. For you guys, where it shows up, what did you just plug in? If it says headphones, headset, it really doesn't make a difference at all. I don't know why those are two quote unquote different options, but in any case, this microphone array thing, it is your computer's microphone, and it won't show up your headset, so this is where it gets really irritating. But if you go back here, you click here, and you'll see it says configure. Now, when you get to this screen, there's this option, which I didn't waste my time with, but you'll see here, we've got set up microphone. You go to that, and now you've got all your different options. If you have a desktop mic, you can use this option. If you have a headset mic, you can use that option. Now, mine's plugged into my headset, but I also used this option, which is the way it's set up right now. Both of them worked fine for me. It might be different for you guys, but going on anyways, you go to this bit, and then you go here, where it tells you to say a lot of different shit. And depending how close you have your mic to your mouth, you can keep going, and obviously you go to next year, but I'm not going to do that, or else it's going to stop recording my video. But in any case, that's what you got to do. And you can mess around with your headset. It really doesn't matter. It's got nothing to do with the mic. But if you go here, go to properties, and then you can listen to it to see if it really is your mic or the computer, which I've done. and you'll click listen, which I'm not going to do because then you'll have to hear me twice, and that's annoying. Um, but you can see here it's got this option and then this option. If you connect a microphone, blah blah blah. And here you can control your mic boost. I had it at 30, but 20 seems to work just fine as well. That's personal preference, I suppose. Here I never really messed around with it, but that's like I said, I think it's more personal opinion than anything else. But that's pretty much it. It'll say microphone array or default microphone or blah 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 for you. But just go to control panel, go to hardware and sound, click on sound, go to recording, pick your mic, not this stereo mix crap or whatever else shows up for you. Then you go to configure and that's it. Click up set up your microphone and just follow the steps from there. Now this is on Windows 11. I know there's a bunch of other videos about it on Windows 10. This is what worked for me on Windows 11. If we go, where is it, settings, and we go down to Windows Update, nope, sorry, System, Windows Update, where is it, About, you'll see Windows 11 Home Single Language installed on the 29th of May. So I am on Windows 11, and all those fixes I showed you, you guys, that's what worked for me. So I hope this really helps. I usually never do videos like this, but it took me forever to figure out, so I figured maybe someone else is having this issue still with their built-in microphone that plug into your headset or whatever not actually being recognized by Windows and not working. So hopefully this helps. If your mic doesn't get detected by your computer, if on the playback devices you just see microphone array or whatever, and if it works for you, let me know. If it doesn't, let me know as well. It'd be interesting to see. In any case, thanks for watching. I hope you guys have a good one, and I'll see you next time.